Sultan Ali Rakhmatov, a young music conservatory student, faced a devastating reality. He was losing his sight. Doctors gave up, advising him to adapt to life as a blind man. Even his professors dismissed him as untalented, believing he had no future in music. Desperate, Sultan Ali flew to Moscow to attend Norbekov method. At first, he was skeptical. Posture correction, smiling, it felt absurd to someone on the verge of blindness. But on day 6, the unimaginable happened. Flashes of clarity broke through his darkened vision. His sight began to return, and that very day he composed what would become one of his most celebrated pieces. This wasn't just about eyesight. Sultan Ali unlocked his true potential, transforming from an overlooked student into one of the most renowned composers in East and Central Asia. If Sultan Ali's story resonates with you, take the first step and sign up today for the free first session. The course that changed his life could transform yours too. Imagine regaining the sight you thought was lost forever, or healing chronic pain you've struggled with for years. The Norbekov method has already transformed the lives of over 3 million people across Central Asia, Russia, and Europe, restoring their health, vision, and relieving chronic pain.